Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile SAIJI laptop bed tray table, a fully assembled, adjustable workstation that's perfect for any setting. This portable standing desk features two auto-lock buttons on each side, allowing you to easily adjust the height to 5 different levels, ranging from 9.4 to 12.6 inches, and its surface angle can be set to 4 different positions from 0 to 36 degrees. Designed with a non-slip PVC leather desktop, it includes a convenient storage drawer for your accessories and a notebook slip to keep your devices secure. Whether you need a laptop table for your bed, a mini writing desk, or a standing table for office work, this multifunctional table offers the perfect balance between relaxation and productivity. Its lightweight yet sturdy design folds flat for easy storage and portability, making it an ideal addition to your home or office. Plus, with a 3-year free quality guarantee, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that any issues will be addressed promptly. Experience the ultimate in convenience and functionality with the SAIJI laptop bed tray table, and transform any space into your personal workstation. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.